Happy New Year, Happy New Year. I just got some new kicks in, and I'm finna do the unboxing of the Adidas CrazyChaos. It's a simple little box, black and white. Ain't nothing really to it. Do it. But here go the shoes, which you wouldn't been waiting for. The Adidas CrazyChaos. Red, blue, and white. The cloud foam bottom by Adidas. Got the lace, blue laces. Got the mesh top, red cloth all the way around. That's the back of it. Got a little detail. And got the cloud foam written on the back. Got like a little tannish color. I don't know why they got that on there, but white foam bottom, inside of the shoe, front, the blue laces, the outside of the shoe, get the strings out the way, the tongue, got the Adidas on it, mesh, inside, take the cushion out. See, they got the cloud foam Adidas in the inside. Cloud foam comfort, my bad, on the inside. The bottom, got the Adidas, black with the white. You got the cloud foam. It's real soft right there. It's real soft. The bottom of them joints. Got some little nice little detail. The heel of it. See the cloud foam inside. Got the Adidas again. Right there. Nice grip, thick grip. Shoe kind of lightweight. Well, it is lightweight. Got like the net. I guess the mesh, you want to call it, around there. Like I said, red, white, and blue. I got these joints on sale, so I had to jump on them. Jump on them real quick. But these are nice. I'm gonna rock these. Again, the heel of it. The inside. The front. I got a good deal on them, so cool with that. The price, like $30-something with the shipping. So I'm rocking these. Yeah. All right, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy. Peace. I'm out.